Hello. I'm going to show you all a simple way of how you can make your very own hand sanitizer. As you all know, if you've been to your local store, they are out of it. But this is how you can make it. You can make it using alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Make sure that it's 91%. Now, if it's 70 or below, I just want to let you know that it will not have any properties once you add glycerin, aloe vera, and your essential oils to it. You want to make sure that it still contains the antiseptic and the sanitizer properties in it. Okay, so that's why I use 91% alcohol, and I also actually use the aloe vera leaf instead of the over-the-counter aloe vera gel that's already made. Why? Because it's concentrated. I don't want anything concentrated when I use it. I want it to be in its purest form. I also use 100% glycerin, which is great for your skin. Now, keep in mind you're using alcohol, and you do not want your skin to crack, and you do not want your skin to be dry. You want your skin to be moisturized when you use it. And I also use olive oregano, and I also use cedarwood essential oil. They have awesome properties in it. Don't take my word for it. Do your research. Look it up. Olive oregano, you can take it orally, but either or. Olive oregano is great. It's antibacterial and antiviral. If you don't know, now you know. But I just wanted to come in and show you all how I make my hand sanitizer, so you all can, make your own, so you won't be out here fighting for no hand sanitizer, anything like that. Now, with this solution as well, you can also make your sanitizer wipes. Okay, in my next video I will show you all how you can make it. Okay, but make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.